Say hi. Want to do a video, Belle?
Yeah.
Want to show off your favorite toys
Yeah.
for everyone to see?
Yeah.
And put it up on YouTube?
Yeah.
Alright, show me your favorite toys. I'll go over here. You want to show off your favorite toys too, Eli? Yeah? You want to show your toys? Show me what toys you like. What do you got right there?
Mickey.
Mickey. What do you got, Eli?
And the bear.
A bear. Hi.
And the little bear laying down.
Go get a toy, Eli. Show me. What you got right there? What do you want to show me? You got something, Belle?
Yeah, I got
What you got?
toys.
You got a truck and a bucket?
That's a glove balloon.
What is it?
A glove balloon.
You want to see? Who's on the screen, Sissy? Sissy's on the screen, huh? Go find another toy. Show me. You got a bear there? A big bear?
Yeah,
Is that your favorite toy?
yeah. They're all
What other toys you got? What toys do you got?
two.
Two
I got
toys?
3.
What about those up there on the step stool thingies above your drawers? What are those?
These things.
What is it?
This.
What is it?
Here's my baby.
That's your baby?
Yeah. 'Cause,
Is that your clubhouse up there?
huh?
Is that your clubhouse up there?
No.
No, what is it? Playhouse?
Yeah.
Yeah. You got any other toys?
Yeah. These toys.
You want to take control of the camera?
Yeah.
Want to take a picture of Daddy?
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Belle's got the camera. Go show them your toy box. See, those are all my toys. See, those are my toys.
Those are my toys.
Want to say anything about your toys?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Those are my toys.
Which one is your favorite in there?
This one is 2.
Show the camera. Oh, and it doesn't see it. It's behind it.
Okay.
That one. All right, let me see. Say bye-bye, everyone.
Bye bye.
Say bye-bye, Eli.
Bye.